And we've got breaking news coming in. Remember, there are two people who are still absconding in this gang rape. India today has spoken to rape accused army Jawan's sister. The army Jawan has been identified as Pankaj. His sister has spoken out now and alleged that it was not just her brother, but even the rape survivor who was at fault. So you've got some victim shaming, pretty typical, coming out now from one of the accused sisters. She's also pleaded to her brother to come and surrender himself before the police.
मैं तो यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे भाइयों का कसूर किया है उन्होंने। मैं खुद कहती हूँ, मैं भी एक लड़की, उन्हें ऐसा काम नहीं करना चाहिए था। बाकी की किसी लड़के की हिम्मत नहीं होती ऐसे कि कोई वो लड़के के साथ ऐसे कर दे। इसमें लड़की का भी कुछ ना कुछ हाथ है। मैं तो यही चाहती हूँ, मान लो उनका पहले से भी कांटेक्ट है तो लड़की के साइड से भी कांटेक्ट होगा, कुछ ऐसा बात नहीं है। मुझे विश्वास है लड़की के भी चेकिंग करनी चाहिए। हमारे सारे फ़ोन उठा के कोर्ट में टेक रखे हैं, लड़की वालों के भी रखने चाहिए। लड़की के भी, मैं कहती हूँ लड़की के भी पहले से कांटेक्ट होंगे जब ये ऐसा काम हुआ है। वैसे हमें कोई नहीं बिठा सकता गाड़ी में।
India Today's Akash Kuluru joins us live from Rewari. He's been on the story non-stop since it was reported and is part of the big media spotlight that has forced the government out of its apathy and into some semblance of action. Akash, isn't that true? One of the accused has been arrested. A couple of more arrests have been made, but two of the accused are still absconding. And if it hadn't been for the media spotlight in this case, even that perhaps would not have happened, Akash.
Well, 100% Shiv. I would like to make something very, very clear here. When we spoke to Pankaj's sister, she told us something very, very shocking. Now, this matter was reported and the victim's family reached the SP Rewari's office by 10 p.m. on the 12th. We just a short while back when we spoke to Pankaj's sister, she tells us that after this incident, after they committed the rape, Pankaj and Nishu, in the same car that was used to kidnap the victim, traveled to Kurukshetra, picked up their sister, brought her back to the village, and they reached the village on the 13th at 6 a.m. and she also confirms on camera that at 1:30 p.m. on the 13th, she saw Pankaj in his house, in his village. So the police had a little over 14 hours to make sure that they nabbed the accused, but they did not do anything. It was only after the media reported this particular matter, the media went hammer and tongs against the police because of inaction on their behalf, that the police actually swung into action. So this is absolutely disgusting, considering the fan. What Pankaj's sister is saying is also absolutely bizarre. It also hints at a certain mindset of victim shaming and saying कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, उनकी भी गलती है. This sort of hints at a certain mindset which eventually led to this crime being committed.
It's the kind of mindset we know so well. From several parts of the country, but certainly there in Haryana as well. How many times have we heard this kind of easy victim shaming that comes in situations like this?
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.